Supermicro, once a Wall Street darling with a skyrocketing stock price, is now navigating some serious turbulence. But this week, a 37% surge in its stock has caught everyone's attention. So what's going on with this embattled tech giant? Let's break it down. Supermicro just announced a big move. They've hired BDO as their new auditor and submitted a compliance plan to Nasdaq. This is part of their effort to get back on track after falling out of compliance with the exchange. CEO Charles Liang says they're working with diligence and urgency to bring their financial statements up to date. Here's where it gets messy. Supermicro's previous auditor, Ernst & Young, stepped down in October after less than a year on the job. They had taken over from Deloitte in March 2023. That's 2 major auditor changes in less than 2 years. The company's delays in filing its 2024 year-end report have raised red flags. Back in August, they missed a key SEC deadline, and by September, Nasdaq notified them of their non-compliance. Supermicro's stock took a beating, dropping from a $70 billion valuation to just $12.6 billion. But despite all this, the company says they're confident they'll meet Nasdaq's requirements, and the stock jumped 37% after this announcement. Here's why Supermicro remains a major player. They've been riding the AI wave thanks to their relationship with NVIDIA. Last fiscal year, their sales more than doubled to $15 billion. On Monday, they announced new products featuring NVIDIA's next-gen AI chip, Blackwell. Supermicro competes with giants like Dell and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise in this space, packaging NVIDIA's AI chips for other companies. But it's not all smooth sailing. In August, Supermicro faced allegations of accounting manipulation from short seller Hindenburg Research. The Wall Street Journal also reported that the Department of Justice has launched an investigation. Adding to the chaos, Nasdaq gave them a 60-day deadline to submit a compliance plan, which they finally did on Monday. So what's next for Supermicro? Can they regain investor confidence and keep riding the AI boom, or will the accounting troubles hold them back? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more finance breakdowns. Thanks for watching.